different entrance to the
To
the haunted mansion. This is like the back way. We've never been. Oh look, this is a tile. Here's a tile. We finally found it. Here we are. This is really cool.
Next group is right on the marker.
Alright. We are dead on the marker. Brian, are you scared?
Very scary.
It's the grand dining ballroom. Yeah, there's a back way to get into the haunted. We literally had to knock on this door that let us in. The crypt door. They call it the crypt door.
Very scary.
It's very scary. Very, very creepy.
All the way inside. Please step inside to the center carpet and find a marker. All the way in, please.
The carriage that will carry you into the moldering sanctum of the spirit world will accommodate you and one or two loved ones. Kindly watch your step as you board, please. We spirits haunt our rest in gloomy darkness. So you know, flash pictures.
Oh, here's our modifications. Here are the new modifications that they've done. They added candles. I don't think those candles were here before.
Do not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And keep this warm. The spirits will materialize
It's all gone.
only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos y ahora prepárese.
You can't really say anything.
We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
Give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your
The happy haunts
tambourine.
have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swing of wake, and they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
We were just there at the ballroom. We could have went to the ballroom. There they are.
They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.